So welcome back. Today we are diving into a topic that is on many organizations' mind, cloud cost. My name is Tom Christensen and I work in LTIMindtree as a thought leader. Together with me, I have Marc Jardorf, who is country leader of Oracle in Denmark. And just before we kickstart the conversation, could I ask you to give just a short introduction of yourself?
Yeah, sure, Tom. Welcome to Hellerup and welcome to our premise here. My name is Marc Jardorf and I'm the country leader for Oracle in Denmark.
So Marc, if you should share why customers should consider the transition into a second generation cloud platform from Oracle and what sets it apart compared to some of the big cloud vendors today, what would that be?
Well, first of all, I think we need to look into first what is a second generation cloud. We're driving some significant advantages due to we built our cloud in 2016, which basically come down to the consolidation we have on the platform, which for our customers then brings a lot of cost savings because we have a very high utilization on the platform. That is one thing. Secondly, we believe in a truly multi-cloud setup. So we have partnerships with AWS, GCP and Azure, which of course brings a lot of choice to our customers.
From a business perspective, what customers are coming back and telling us after these migrations is that they have a cost reduction of up to 50% moving into second generation cloud from Oracle. But one of the concerns they often have in the beginning is this one only for Oracle databases, or is it also for our third-party application environment, which might be thousands of applications? And what about our native cloud servers? What is your perspective on which is suitable for the Oracle Cloud?
Yeah, first of all, you're absolutely right. When we look into the consolidation and the utilization of a platform, we see customers coming out with a roughly 50% savings. And when I took this job like 3 years ago, if you would have asked me, what will you do? Will it be Oracle to Oracle or will it be third-party applications to Oracle? I would have said to you, I believe it will be most Oracle to Oracle. What comes out now after 2.5 years in this role is actually the majority of the cases we are doing is actually third-party applications into OCI. And on top of that, we also do a lot of open source projects. So for example, we have a lot of Kubernetes stage running in our platform as well. So it's quite open actually what we run today in our platform.
Yeah, and to add to what Marc is saying here is when we do these projects, we often do a snapshot of the current environment, which might take a couple of days, and then we put it into a traffic light where you have green, yellow, and red. And the green one are those that smoothly go into the platform. The yellow one are the one that we need to sit down and have a conversation about. Which one should we take? Which one should we just leave where it is today? And the red one are very often native cloud service from the current vendor, and there is no need to move that. But there is another concern that comes up, and that is, what about my upfront payment? Do I really need to commit to my growth for the next 3 years? I'm running a risk if I say in 3 years from now, this is the resources I need, and now I have to do upfront payment. How does Oracle look at this one?
Yeah, I think we took a different approach, right? We are delivering cloud as we think it should be. So we don't believe in long-term commits in regards to timeframes for agreements. We don't commit shapes. Instead, you just get the full flexibility. So you just size the kind of environment you need and you spin it up and you close it when you don't need it anymore. And even though when we do it this way, the majority of our customers again see savings for roughly 50% for their workloads.
Yeah. And now, when it comes to selecting the right partner for doing the migration, should that be consulting service from Oracle, or should it be a global system integrator that might already be at the customer side managing all these third-party applications? How do you see that?
I think you have a very critical role here, right? Because I think any hyperscaler would like everything to go into their platform. But I think when you come in as a third party to assess them and figure out where do I put the workload on the best platform. And I think that assessment is very important to do because there's not one platform for everything. You need to assess each of them and put the workload to the hyperscaler where it makes the most sense.
We're coming to the end of this interview here, and I just want to say thank you, Marc, for being here and giving us insights to all the experience you have with your platform. And then I want to give you a short summary. We spoke about the second generation cloud platform and why it's more efficient. We spoke about the fact that customers see up to 50% cost reduction in their cloud cost. And then we spoke about upfront payment and no commitment to the future. That's another flexibility you get. You can choose your global system integrator, which you might already have today. We are here in the Nordic region. We are here to inspire you. We are here to show you what we have delivered, show some of the solutions that we have put into the market. Stay tuned for more information from LTIMindtree.